GoSun. GoSun Fusion is a solar-powered oven. Without compromise more than a solar oven, the Fusion stands on its own as a complete cooking solution. It's portable yet large enough to feed a family. It's time to upgrade your kitchen with the GoSun Fusion. If you don't have a sunshine, cook anytime with its patented high-efficiency electric heating element using the same amount of energy as this lights bulb. What's the secret behind? The heat is trapped inside a perfectly insulated vacuum tube, making it highest efficiency electric stove in the world. Want to live off-grid or cook meal on the go without making a mess or burning your food? GoSun welcomes you to the fuel-free frontier. Yomi. Yogurt is usually considered a healthy product that satisfies your hunger, and at the same time this replenishes your natural protein reserves and improves digestion. But experts know that not all the yogurts on the market are healthy. Some of them are harmful as they contain almost enormous bacteria, lot of sugar and additives. So what can you do? If you don't want to sacrifice your health, you can make homemade yogurt. Yomi was invented especially for this purpose. This is one of the first fully automated yogurt maker in the world. To make a tasty and healthy yogurt, you have to just pour the milk into the container, insert a special capsule and press the button. And yes, it's a simple cooking, takes about 6 hours, but this is not a problem. Yomi works with any type of milks, including any plant-based milks. In the mobile app, you can only specify the type of yogurt you want, but also find for numerous helpful recipes. The price is $99. Clever Cutter. Clever Cutter 2-in-1 food chopper replaces your kitchen knives and cutting boards. Original product imported directly from USA. Dot combination food chopper and carving boards makes cutting, slicing and dicing easy and fast. Stainless steel blades work as a great vegetable chopper, food chopper and chopping board. Replaces all your kitchen knives and cutlery. With one easy to use device, locking safety hinge helps to prevent accidental cuts. Cheat Sheet. The next kitchen utensil we will talk about will allow you to prepare dishes in oven in a completely different way. The fact is, traditional cooking methods are not perfect. For example, it takes different amount of time to cook meats or vegetables in the other. Therefore, you place these two products on one baking tray. You will end up overcooking one of the products. Cheat Sheet is baking tray that consists of several removable sections. It allows you to separate different foods and better control of the process. Check the time, remove the vegetables and send the chicken back in the oven. Cheat Sheets will also allow you to please all your guests and family because you can make a cake with the different fillings by simply dividing it into the sections. Surface of the trays made of silicone is easy to wash and prevent the products from burning. In addition, Cheat Sheets are eco-friendly and saves you money because you don't have to buy millions of foils or baking papers. The minimum price of this device is $60. 9-in-1 multifunctional vegetable cutter. The vegetable slicer comes with unique drainage feature that allows you to clean vegetables directly through the drainage system after you have cut them. Skip the tedious cleaning process and make your cleaning easier. With 7 replaceable blades, you can cut cheese, tomatoes, onions, cucumber and cabbage in different shapes and sizes and thicknesses. You can use a different knife head according to your requirement. The comfortable handle can be controlled with one hand. Free one hand, the cutting cover can be removed freely for easy use. Presto Pop Light. Everybody is seeing popcorn machines in the theaters. They look like bulky, complex equipment. But it turns out that this design is not the only one available. Genuine popcorn fans, those who can't live without, is a true pride of popcorn lights from Presto. It's cost you $31, and for this money you will get a compact but very effective popcorn machine. Poplight is same size as a conventional mixer or blender, and at the same time, in just 2.5 minutes you can make your 4 liters of popcorns. Chef's Twist Vegetable Cutter. Poddle Doddle Zoodles. Turn fresh produce healthy vegetable noodles and spirals with the twist handled spiralizer by Chef's. 3 stainless steel blades easily click in and out of the base, and with a few quick turns you can create a thick ribbon, small julienne and large juvenile noodles. When you have finished all parts and pieces, store neatly in your drawer. Choose small, easy to use kitchen utensils that are built in on the tasteful design, new technologies and a trusted reputation of Chefin. Case safe. Overconsumption of sweets in snacks can lead to a health problem sooner or later. However, you have to admit that it's not easy to resist a treat. K-Safe is a high-tech container that will help you to stay in control and not to worry too much. The device connects to a mobile application with a built-in timer and solid block. Each user can configure the device to their own likings. You can lock all the sweets inside while you are on the diet, or you can allow access just once in a day. Another option is setting a timer. This way you won't be able to eat much, because after that allotted time the device will be locked. Inside the K-Safe you can hide candies from children to prevent them as well from eating candies before lunch and dinner. SkinSeed. It will make your life easier by allowing you to spend less time performing a unpleasant task. We are all talking about skinning a fish. SkinSeed is an amazing cutting-edge technology which reduces the task to a fewer quick and easy moments. It's cleverly designed so it only removes a thin layer from the surface without affecting the meat. The price is $150. Nimble. This lightweight safety cutter allows you to cut objects with one finger, also perfect for cutting and opening tricky packaging boxes, envelopes and more. It fits comfortably on each of your fingers. This product is made of silicone rubber, wood and was designed in Europe. Garlic Zoom. The Garlic Zoom is compact and convenient garlic chopper. With its whimsical design, gadget chops garlic cloves into uniform chunks, ready to add to tonight's dinner. To use this unique gadget, simply fill with peeled small and medium-sized garlic cloves through its top chamber. Next, roll the Garlic Zoom around your kitchen counter. Little ones with love helping to do this part. Finally, open the second chamber, safely remove the blade and empty the garlic. Perfectly chopped garlic is ready in seconds. Trust us, your hand will be grateful. No more smelly fingers and your recipe will be perfect. Bottle with infusion. Excellent for preparing refreshing drinks with an infuser for infusing fruits, vegetables, herbs and cooling with ice cubes. Closure with silicone seal. Made of top quality plastic material intended for medical and pharmaceutical use. The material used is entirely neutral and is no way affects the quality of drink in the bottle. The plastic vessel in the infuser are dishwasher safe. Do not wash the eye-ill enclosure in dishwasher. 3 years warranty. Stem Gem. This simple and small device is perfect for those who love berries and in particular strawberries, because it is incredibly annoying to waste your precious time cleaning these fruits when you already want to start eating them. Stem Gem allows you to cut strawberries in one simple movement, saving a lot of time and efforts. The device only costs $9. Egg timer. The Ox O-Good Grips punctual egg timer will help you to make perfect eggs every time with 7 different levels in egg size selector. It's easy to find the setting that's right for you. Just use the built-in egg purser on the white end of your eggs to make removing the shell easier when they are done cooking. The progress bar shows keep things on track and take the guesswork out of boiling eggs. The purser locks out the way when not in use, and the compact size makes it perfect for countertop storages. Bottle stopper. Excellent for airtight sealing of standard glass bottles with drinks, syrups, etc. Made of resistant plastic and flexible silicone. Cleans under the running water easily. 3 years warranty. Foldable lunchbox. Packing and eating on the go can be a hassle. That's exactly what Fold It aims to solve with its modular design. This lunchbox is packed with 15 unique features, which includes things like a phone holder, shoulder strap, liquid container, and so on. Once it unfolds, the lunchbox becomes a full-size eating mat, which you can use it to keep your meal on without messing up the place.